In this video, I will show you how to make this little crochet star you can use in so many projects, not only for Christmas. And to make this star, you can use any yarn you want. It's a perfect project to use like the scraps of yarn that you have in your stash. And just to show you all the sizes I made, I used different kinds of yarn and different sizes of hooks. This one I made with worsted yarn and 6mm hook. This one also with similar acrylic yarn but with 5mm hook. Here I used cotton yarn DK with 4mm hook. This one with 3.5mm. This one, for example, I made with 2.5mm hook with embroidery thread. And I also made one using this string to make jewelry, and this is what I achieved using again 2.5mm hook. Obviously, you don't have to use yellow or golden yarn. You can be so creative. So let's get started. As I said, to make this star, you can use any yarn you want. I will use this light cotton yarn and 3.5mm crochet hook, scissors and yarn needle. Start making a magic ring and chain 2. 1 and 2. Now inside this magic ring we will make 10 half double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the magic ring and pull through all 3 loops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now close this hole. Okay, and we will make a slip stitch into the first half double crochet we made. Now chain 1 and we will make a single crochet in this first stitch. So here. Okay, just single crochet. And now in the next stitch we will make first a half double crochet. Now in the same stitch double crochet. Now chain 2 and we will still work in the same stitch. So here in the same again we will make another double crochet and still in the same stitch half double crochet. And here we have the arm of our star. Now in the next stitch we'll make a single crochet. Now we go to the next one and again we will make a half double crochet first, half double crochet, in the same stitch double crochet, chain 2, again in the same stitch double crochet, and in the same one half double crochet. And in the next stitch we'll make a single crochet. Okay, we will repeat this 3 more times. So in the next stitch again we'll make half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet and half double crochet. In the next stitch we'll make just a single crochet. In the next one, half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, again double crochet, and half double crochet. Single crochet in the next one, and we still will have here one more arm. So again, half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and half double crochet, and we will make a slip stitch in the first single crochet of this round. Now just chain 1, and we can cut the yarn. And you can just weave in this end, and our star is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.